Hello, roomies. Welcome to the DIY Sleeping Quarters, where we share all of our DIY projects for our home share. So, in the spirit of Christmas, I wanted to do a DIY Christmas organization video. And what you see here is all of my Christmas bags and decor, including ribbons, tissue paper, Santa hats, Christmas stockings, and tablecloths. I found an extra large, double-sided, 40-inch wrapping paper storage bag organizer on Amazon that I thought would be a great idea to use to store my Christmas items. So, for the sake of this video, I'll just call it a hanging Christmas organizer. It was $26.99 and 6% polyester and 40% PVC plastic material. It's heavy duty and comes with label stickers. For me, the organizer was able to hold 5 rolls of wrapping paper, 2 Santa hats and 2 stockings, 6 rolls of ribbon, multiple large bags and small bags, tissue wrapping paper, a holiday tablecloth, address labels, treat bags, and the device to wrap my Christmas lights. I think this was a great purchase for myself as it relates to organization. And I also think that this would be a great Christmas gift for someone who loves to give presents. It provides a central location for wrapping paper, and it was inexpensive, so only $26.99. I will include a link for this organizer in the description box below. I want to know what you guys think. Would you purchase this? Have you purchased something similar? And where and how are you organizing your Christmas items? Well, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this one, click the subscribe button below and become an official roomie. And as always, thanks for watching.